stay put for a few minutes?
No, I'm gonna keep working.
So I can get the camera over here and block the road. Okay, we're in good shape right now. Recorder's on.
Recorder's on. There, it's out of my way for now. Okay, I got the mic set for 2.5 dial clearance. This was the rear cylinder, which was the good one. And the other one over here, front one, is the bad one. Clearance in there.
Did you bring the measuring device? Yeah, there it is.
The measuring device. There's all kinds of devices around here. I'm going to set the stone diameter. There's a measuring device right here, but I'm not using it.
Where? That thing?
Yeah. Those are expensive.
Stunning? Yep.
Yeah, that's the old one. They're not worth so much as the new ones, but those are still 1,000 plus.
Jeez.
So if you're sitting on your stones, they're in the way. Now, you didn't clean the carbon off here for me yet.
At the very top?
Yeah.
I didn't know I was supposed to.
See how it plugs up the stone?
How do you clean it? Scraper?
Where's your pocket knife?
I don't have one.
What do you mean you don't have one?
Still waiting to go get it.
Well, what happened to your pocket knife?
I haven't had it for about 2 years.
You gotta have a knife in your pocket. That's what they call the pocket knife.
I don't have one. Unless that stuff clogs up the cutting stones?
I don't know. What happens if you put a bunch of carbon on your sandpaper in your car? What happens?
It goes away quick.
Doesn't cut very well, does it?
Same thing with these, huh?
I don't know why my knives are always dull.
Can I use my rag to clean it with?
Tell you what. You had a perfect opportunity to clean these out already. Look at those deep scratches right there. Look at those gouges in there. You're going to blame them on my pocket knife, I can tell. I just sharpened this thing the other day. I don't know why it doesn't cut. It won't cut a piece of plastic, but it'll poke me and make me bleed, that's all I know.
Yep.
It's called a poking knife, not a pocket
Pig sticker.
knife. Pig sticker.
Got it.
Stuck the pig.
Now I gotta reset my whole thing again, dang it.
Did I disturb your camera shot? Oh my god. Now I got the front one on the home first. This is the one that's not the good one.
Yeah.
Oh well. We're just going to have to go for it. Okay, so we're only supposed to go to the line right there. You own it to the line. That's how you're supposed to set these things.
No? Not true?
I do what I want.
Most of the time.
I'm waiting for the oil to come in there.
There it goes.
You gotta lubricate the stone.
Well, much better when it's lubed, isn't it?
Is it lubricated now? Oh, look at the crosshatch pattern and see what it is. If you don't like it, you gotta do some more. Yeah, speed's alright.
It's our oval shaped barrel.
It's oval shaped?
Used to be. Be even?
See the dull gray areas?
Yeah.
What we call low spots.
Uh-oh.
The more it goes like this, the more around it is.
You want the phone?
I don't hear no phone. Button pressure. jerks a lot at the top.
Yeah.
It's out around. So we're too big here already, but we're tight right here. So.
It's too big the other way?
Tight on the bottom. Pretty tight on the bottom. See that big low spot where that metal?
Yeah.
Here? So the piston's been eating on it. Oh well.
Some of that grit that came out of the oil tank?
It's not going to change, it's still there. Cross hatch. Could be a little faster. Yeah, it's still loose there.
Yeah.
Still tight there.
How did
Looking at this. Cardboard didn't get put down yet. Why don't you put cardboard down and stand on the soft cardboard was?
and the gas pedal's down there too?
It's all right. Alright, make it work. Are you happy?
As long as you are.
I'm never happy. Center's not round. It's out of round.
It was when we started.
Still is. Still tight on the bottom, it's getting there. I'll go back to whatever's on this. This front one. This is a small one, right?
Yep.
There should be a little leaf.
We're taking a lot of meat off here, folks.
Okay, that's stroking angle's better now. See how much faster I stroke on it?
Mm-hmm. Makes the crosshatch better.
Yep. Very tight on the bottom still. Just hit the mic moved on him. Move slightly. Still pretty tight down there. Still got bad spots in it too.
Give it another shot. Give it another shot.
None of that changed for some reason. Really tight. Really loose.
Damn.
Getting better. Getting better.
Top still over.
Yeah, it's pretty bad on the top. Oh, really tight right there.
That's the rear.
I think it's front. Much better. Good. Close enough. Okay, that's going to shrink a little bit because it's hot. Really tight on the top. Make sure the mic didn't move on us. Well, the way I can see down the mark would be nice. Good there. Really tight there. Loose the goose. Loose. Good.
Right?
Using it. See how hot this one is. Don't get your fingers caught and it hurts.
A whole bit.
The brake doesn't work very good on it anymore. So. I'm more concerned about the tight spot, not the loose spot. See?
Right.
Okay, so that's adequate for what we want. Look at that mess I'm making down there. Good thing I put that kind of where it belongs.
Good thing.
Should be over there though. One thing about this tile on the floor, you can't clean it up underneath it. So whatever goes through the tile
Permanent?
stays there until it evaporates. Oil doesn't evaporate very fast. Okay, so these are our number 500 stones, which are, depending on which book you read, they're like 230 to 320 grit.
230 to 320.
Yeah, somewhere in that area.
Quite a bit of difference.
I'm going to go with 280-ish. Use these ones. Yeah, we use these ones. These are plateau cutters. These are 600 stones, so they're going to be, should definitely listen to 300.
Plateau, you call them plateau?
320 to 360 on grit. Plateau will knock the peaks off. These like the chatter though, which I don't like. Chatter marks don't go away. So if they chatter, it's permanent.
Hmm.
I do like the chatter. You don't mind that, do you?
I don't like shatter.
Oh. You like plateau cutting?
I don't like detonation. I don't like shatter.
You're just picky.
Get that flow.
Stones are all tight. Fine. You like chatter?
Mm-hmm. And hear it again. I didn't hear it that time.
It's on that one. Well, the stone had to break into the bore.
Oh.
That was a very quick.
So what is those things got, like a cutting stone and then a scraper is the other one?
Yeah, that's how they work. It's a shoe. This one's gonna have a chatter mark on the bottom. See the rainbow effect going on there?
Mm-hmm.
It's not the oil, that's chatter.
Defective tool or what?
Honing, that's how it is. But see, it didn't do it on top, it did when I pulled it off the bag.
Ain't no thing?
It is what it is. It doesn't, the rings are not. The top part matters, the bottom part doesn't. So I want to give it one stroke. One in, one out, one complete stroke. So that was enough to take the peaks off. If I made two full strokes, it'd be make it smoother for more higher RPM application. I'm trying to do a street application, so this requires a little more break-in now, because I didn't break in as much.
He's always getting on me a little bit that street application we're doing too.
That was the 500-mile break-in I just put on it. If I give another stroke, it'd been a 1,000-mile break-in.
Yeah.
Basically, that's what you're doing. That's how long it takes to get the sand.
How's the crosshatch look now?
It's there.
Passable?
I don't know. They're dirty. I can't tell. We'll get all this cleaned up. We'll be back.